Welcome back to those on YouTube. We have the last two boxes of the 3-box break. I think we'll do the Timeless Treasures now. And we'll save the Supreme for last. Checklist. Pack. Empty box. Alright, we will open this up. Move the back card to the front and put the cards down. Right there. And we will go Franco Harris, legend card for the Steelers, numbered 57 out of 99. Next card is a Aaron Rodgers for the Packers. This is numbered 193 out of 499. Next card is an Alan Bradford autograph, rookie signatures, numbered 54 out of 299. That's for the Tampa Bay Bucks. That's going to Jay Stanford. 54 out of 299. We have a Jamal Charles Game Day Souvenirs jersey for the Chiefs, numbered 5 out of 165. Chiefs are for Buster 3985. And our last hit is a Ryan Williams rookie recruits for the Cardinals, going to Jay Stanford. And this is numbered 131 out of 250. So congratulations to those who got hits. And then we will open now the Top Supreme. Hopefully we get some sick hit out of here. Cam Newton, Dalton, I don't know, Montana. Any one of those would be cool. We have our pack. Put the box back up here, so let's put the cards down. We'll take the back card and put it on the front. And the first card is a Matt Schaub for the Texans, numbered 92 out of 99. Next card is Mark Sanchez, numbered 186 out of 429. Next card is a Leonard Hankerson, numbered 64 out of 429 for the Redskins. And our hit is a Christian Ponder quad jersey, numbered 7 out of 10, which is kind of cool because that is his jersey number, number 7. 7 out of 10, and that Vikings, Buster 3985. When you have your 10 teams, you got a real nice hit here. So numbered 7 out of 10, Christian Ponder quad jersey. So those of you, please stick around. On YouTube, we still have the Beat Homer bonus, which is coming up next.